How to make good safe development in the cryptocurrency market. Secure development in the cryptocurrency market is a crucial area given the highly technical and financial nature of these digital assets. Here are some important aspects related to this topic. Blockchain network security. The basis of cryptocurrencies is blockchain technology, which is designed to be secure and decentralized. Cryptocurrency developers must ensure that the networks they are working on are resilient to attacks and that the underlying protocols are robust enough to resist malicious manipulations. Smart contracts. Many cryptocurrencies are built on platforms that support smart contracts, such as Ethereum. Developers need to ensure that these contracts are secure and that there are no vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers. Smart contract failures can lead to significant loss of funds. Security audits. Before launching a new cryptocurrency or updating an existing one, it is common practice to perform security audits. Companies that specialize in security audits examine source code for vulnerabilities and potential security flaws that can be exploited. Private key protection. Private keys are essential for accessing and authorizing cryptocurrency transactions. Developers and users need to ensure that these keys are stored securely, preferably in hardware wallets or offline environments. Security updates. The cryptocurrency environment is constantly evolving, and new vulnerabilities are discovered regularly. Therefore, it is important for developers to be aware of security updates and be able to implement them quickly to mitigate any emerging risks. Education and awareness. One of the best defenses against attacks is education. Both developers and users should be aware of security best practices and potential threats in the cryptocurrency space. This includes learning about phishing schemes, cryptocurrency-specific malware, and other forms of targeted cyber attacks. Rigorous testing. Before implementing new features or launching a new cryptocurrency, it is essential to conduct rigorous testing. This includes security testing to identify and fix any vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious third parties. In summary, secure development in the cryptocurrency market is an absolute priority, given the financial and technical nature of these assets. This involves a combination of secure programming practices, security audits, education and awareness, and rapid response to new threats as they emerge. Thank you, guys.